All right, this problem says which of the following expressions, when evaluated, equals an irrational number? So, as a recap, an irrational number is a real number that cannot be written as a simple fraction. So here, if we look at some examples, 1.5 we can write as 3 over 2. That's a ratio, a simple fraction. So that was considered a rational number. Pi is a really, really long decimal that does not repeat, 3.14159. That is an irrational number. We can't write it as a ratio. So here, if we look at all of our examples, to solve this problem, all I did was take each example and simplify it using a calculator. So you can type it in your calculator, you could type it in Desmos. I did the square root of 2 divided by the square root of 8. That equals 0.5. Can we easily write 0.5 as a fraction? Yeah, that's 1/2. Here, the square root of 8 over the square root of 2, that is equal to 2, which again, we can easily write that as a fraction, as a ratio. That's 2 over 1. H, the square root of 8 squared, is equal to 8, which again, that's easy to write as a fraction. That's 8 over 1. The square root of 8 times the square root of 2 is equal to 4. Again, 4 you can easily write as a ratio or a fraction, 4 over 1. And then letter K, the square root of 2 plus the square root of 8 is equal to 4.242640687112. This we cannot easily write as a ratio, as a fraction. So this number is irrational, and K is the answer to the problem.